Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the lock screen clock size on this device. If you go to the lock screen, you can see this is the size of the clock you can see here. Now let me show you how to adjust the lock screen clock size. Just press and hold the blank area of the lock screen. Tap on customize on the bottom tab. Now you can adjust the clock's size, you can see. If you tap on the clock's widget, and also you can adjust the size also, you can see the thickness you can adjust. So simply in this way we can adjust the clock's size on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.